Okay guys, so today I'm going to try a bit different style of tutorial. Please let me know what you guys think, and if you like it, I can continue these. So today it's pretty simple. You just need 3 balloons, a white 260, a mocha brown, and a quick link 5-inch mocha brown as well. We're going to start by inflating the white 260. It doesn't really matter, just even like 2 pumps in it. We're not going to be using that much. And just start by making 2 pinch twists. And then after that, it's going to be a soft, small bubble. I'd say almost a 1/2 inch or like 1 finger soft bubble. And then 2 more pinch twists. And then after that, you do 1 more soft, small bubble, and then we're gonna finish it off with 2 more pinch twists. Okay, so we have that. This is what it looks like. These are gonna be the laces for the football, and you can see it. And I'm just gonna put that aside, and next we're gonna get the Mocha Brown 260, and I inflate this until there's about 3 fingers left. We only need to make about 5 twists in this, and so as you can see, about 3.5 fingers there. And we're just gonna take the nozzle and attach it into the end of the laces. And then next we're going to inflate the 5-inch quick link pretty much all the way. Try to get it that nice kind of football shape that we're looking for, like that. And then what I like to do is tie a knot in the end of the other nozzle. This just makes it a little easier and more secure when you tie it in to the 260s. So what I'll do, I'll take the laces and make sure that they're kind of centered, and that's how I will measure it. Usually it's about 3-4 inches, and we're just gonna put a twist there, and then we're gonna do another soft, about 1 inch ear twist. So it's like an ear twist, but it'll just be a little bit more round, and that's gonna be the end of the football. And then you're just gonna take the nozzle and tie it in. Always try to stretch the knot past before you tie it in, that way it'll be nice and snug in there. As you can see, that's what it's looking like so far. And then we'll take the mocha and stretch it across. Once we get it to the other side, we're gonna put another really soft ear twist in there, like so. And then we're gonna take the other end and tie it into that ear twist as well. Okay, and then it's real simple from here. We're just gonna double back on the quick link and twist it into that first ear twist that we made, and then we're gonna go back again to the other end. So there should be 3 passes over, and then we'll finish it off by just twisting the 260 mocha into the laces, and then finish it off by personally I snap it off, but if you can't do that, you can cut it off too. And actually I lost one of my bubbles, so I'm just repairing it here. I'm just gonna snap. If you want to learn or see how I do a snap off, I can make a video on that. Just request that in the comment section down below. But that is pretty much it, guys. This is the football I make. I made it because so many people asked for footballs, and just giving them the quick link with the print just seemed kind of lame. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Feel free to request for other tutorials, and happy Super Bowl, everybody. Go Chiefs!